Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Nissan 370Z versus Toyota GT86. We'll dive into their core differences, starting with performance. The 370Z boasts a larger 3.7-liter V6 engine, delivering a significant punch with over 330 horsepower. In contrast, the GT86 comes with a 2.0-liter flat-4, focusing more on balance and driver engagement rather than raw power. This fundamental difference shapes their driving dynamics considerably. Moving on to driving dynamics, the Nissan 370Z offers a more traditional, muscle car-like feel with its robust power delivery. It's a car that demands respect. The Toyota GT86, however, excels in agility and precision, making it incredibly fun to drive on winding roads. Its lighter weight and lower center of gravity contribute to its nimble character. Both vehicles provide an engaging rear-wheel drive experience, but their approaches differ significantly. When considering practicality and interior, both are two-door sports cars, so don't expect minivan levels of space. The 370Z generally offers a slightly more upscale interior feel, though it can feel a bit dated. The GT86, while simpler, includes small rear seats that are more suitable for extra cargo than passengers. Trunk space is modest in both, designed for weekend getaways rather than large shopping trips. Your choice depends on your priorities. Finally, let's talk about value. The Nissan 370Z often presents a compelling package if you prioritize raw power and a classic sports car feel, potentially offering more horsepower for your investment. The Toyota GT86, on the other hand, usually boasts better fuel efficiency and a more modern, nimble driving experience. Ultimately, the better car depends on your personal driving style and what you seek in a sports car. Be sure to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.